So finally it's here. About 3 weeks ago, I made a video about open box of the new iPhone 17 Pro, the MacBook Air M4. I took the video of the 17 Pro with the Galaxy 23 Ultra, and I said that I will take the video of opening the MacBook with the new iPhone. So it took me 2 days after I opened the iPhone 17 Pro to set them up. So far I'm loving it. So today I'm gonna go ahead and open the MacBook Air. So let's do this, okay? And by the way, I'm recording this using the Blackmagic app. Okay. Ooh, it's a little heavy. Nice. I'm gonna put it here. Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23 Ultra. So just like, I believe it's like 70 watts. So this is a charger for So I don't know much about MacBooks. This is my second Apple product that I bought, and this was a gift from my son. So thank you, son, for my gift. I really appreciate it. It was very nice that you provide me with this gift. Anyways, I'm gonna open this because I'm gonna use it. So we're gonna put that here, put it there, so we can put this back. Just gonna put this back here, and these two here. And we're just gonna take the MacBook out of it down. Okay. I don't like to break things. I don't know. So I ended up taking the midnight color because it's the color that is very elegant. I know people are crazy about the sky blue, I think it is, but I want to match my phone. So my phone is the same color. Both of them are midnight. I don't know if it had charged because I already had this for almost 3 weeks now. Yes. Okay. So let's take this off. Nice, right? You know what I do here? So it's a gorgeous laptop. I need it for the purpose of buying this, getting it. I want to get it because I want to record my videos using the new iPhone, and at the same time,
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
doing something wrong. Select country. Already select the country. Oh, it says return. Country. Country. So one of the things that I just noticed that it's not touchscreen, and I do remember that I saw that in a video, but for some reason I totally forgot about it. So I'm a little familiar to some of the apps in here. Search the web. The web. No volume. Alright, so I was looking for what type of app to use, and I think it's perfect. I was thinking about buying the Apple Cut, I think it is, for Apple. You pay one time, I believe, about $300, and then you can get it. But then looking for some, I in the past I used to own Premiere Pro, and I was paying close to, if not $700 a year, every year.